Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a YouTube channel permanently. First of all, just open up the YouTube in your browser, and to do that, just go to the top right and press on your profile icon, and you can then see the channel you've got currently selected. For example, this is the channel here. If this is wrong, I could go and click on switch account and change the channel. After you are on the right channel, then just click on YouTube Studio like this, and then in the studio go to the bottom left and press on settings and wait for this to load. And then what you can do is go and click on channel, and in channel you then need to go to this advanced settings and scroll down here until you see this option here, remove YouTube content. Under other settings, it will then take you to this page where you need to sign in. After you are signed in, you will then have two options: I want to hide my content and I want to permanently delete my content. So in this case, I want the second option here. It then says this will permanently delete the YouTube data associated with this channel. Make sure you understand what's going to be permanently deleted, and once you do so, you have to select it and then press delete my content, and you then need to go and confirm your decision by typing in your channel name and then just press delete my content. And there we go, the content is now being deleted. So yeah, this may take a few minutes, maybe a few days, but that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.